Today I thought I would try something a bit different. I was going through YouTube and I found a couple of twisted Disney tutorials which look amazing. They're gory takes on classic Disney. And today I thought I would try the Cheshire Cat. This is probably going to end in disaster. Oh well. It is time for one of my favourite looks I think I have ever done. The Cheshire Cat from Alice Madness Returns. I love Alice Madness Returns. It's just creepy and gets under my skin. Ironic that I like it. Anywho, I am starting by blocking out my eyebrows. Even though here in the video I'm applying latex straight to them, please do not do that. I've already blocked mine out with wax. If you just put latex on them, yeah, say goodbye to your eyebrows. With the eyebrows blocked out, I am using just grey face paint in an amalgamation of Snazaroo white and black to draft out the infamous smile and fill everywhere else in a base colour of grey, really. I am using a Primark foundation brush. Now, I don't know about you, but I tend to find the brushes from Primark are actually pretty good. So, way to go, Primark. Yeesh. Since watching this video, I am pleased to say that I have gotten a bit better at blocking out my eyebrows, because I don't know about you, but I'm just cringing watching this. With the base grey now completed, I am using a slightly thinner brush and lighter shade of grey to draw two half circles over the cheeks. I am again using white to draw two more half-circly crescent moony shapes over my eyebrows that extend into the hairline. Don't worry about blending the edges at this stage. You can keep them fairly blocky. I am now painting the infamous smile. Even talking about it makes me smile. What am I doing? To draft out the basic shape, I am going in Snazaroo white. And I think I used multiple layers for this. We got to like 4, maybe 5 layers of white face paint, just to make it creepy. I also had to fix the shape a bit with the grey, so if you're not happy with the shape or it doesn't suit your particular face, do not worry about going in and changing it. That's kind of the point. Tailor it to suit you. So, now we have the base shapes and the base colours in place. You might start to recognise the character now. I appreciate you can't really see this bit due to my bad setup of my camera when filming this, but I'm using a thin watercolour brush and the same grey mix to draw some teeth and a thin black crescent between them to make the illusion of an open mouth smile. Yeah, I really didn't film this video very well, did I? Yeah. Hopefully that's something else that's improved my filming quality. With the same thin watercolour brush, I am painting a nose on the end of mine. Do not be tempted to bring the end of the cat's nose right up onto yours. A cat nose will sit just underneath. Now, remember what I said earlier about not outlining the shapes? Here's why. I'm taking another very thin brush and painting little wisps of grey into the fur to give the illusion of whiskery fur kind of thing. Now, this bit takes patience and a very steady hand. I'm drawing the Cheshire Cat's intricate eyeliner in black, drafting it out first, and then making the lines thicker as I go. Always draft details. So there we go, that is the face of the Cheshire Cat. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have liked this time lapse, maybe give me a thumbs up, comment, I will always get back to you, promise. And yeah, see you next time.